Welcome to Web Quality Experts. Today we are going to learn very exciting technology, that is Git, and how we can create our files and folders very easily using this super technology, Git. Alright, so how do we create our files and folders in our day-to-day life? We usually create our folders clicking right button on our desktop, then go to new, then click on folder, and we name it, say for example, Software Quality Expert 2020. Then to create a new file, what do? We do double click, okay, then right button click and go to new again, then go to text documents, then we write like codes.txt, and we can write here whatever we want. Okay, web developers make 100K per year, say for example. Okay, so this is the way we create folder and files. Okay, now I want to save it, definitely. Now the easiest way and the fastest way of creating files and folders are using Git technology. Okay, what is Git? Git is a version control. You can just go to Google and just write Git, not GitHub. GitHub is a different thing. We will go through it in the next video. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Git is easy to learn and has a tiny footprint with lightning fast performance. Okay, so what we can do, I have Git on my computer. If you don't have, just go back to Google and just write Git download. Okay, Git download, and it is very straightforward. Just click on download. Okay, then choose what computer you are going to download. Is it Mac, Windows, Linux, whatever device you are using, just choose one, click, and just right button click and install it. Very straightforward. Then you will have this kind of icon, and you can double click and start using it, but we always will use as professional developers do. Okay, so to do it, I will just go to type search here and write Git, then press enter, and automatically it will be opening for us. Now just press Ctrl and plus if you are using Windows, and if you are using Mac, just press Command and plus. Then I'll just write CD desktop. Okay, now we are on the desktop of my computer, okay, on my device. Then I will just write command mkdir, means make directory. Directory means folder. Okay, and I will name of the folder is SQE file and folder, say for example. Press enter. Then I will write a command cd, means change directory. I'm changing my directory from desktop to sq file folder. Okay, you can either copy it or write it. I want to write it sque file folder. Okay, and press enter. Now we are inside sque file folder. Okay, now how we can check it? We can check it from our computer. Let's see where it is. sque file folder, here it is. Okay, now I want to show you how it is being created side by side. Okay, and we have to be master in creating files and folders very quickly. Okay, and professionally we have to do all this process. Okay, now I want to create a folder. So to create folder, the command is make dir, mkdir, make directory. Okay, and I want to name it, say for example css, and you see css folder has been created instantly. And I want to create, make directory, another folder, that is images. Okay, and images folder has been created. And again I want to make a directory or folder, folder of JavaScript. Okay, and JavaScript folder has been created. Now inside the CSS we don't have anything, so I want to clear it first. Clear, then press enter. Okay, then I want to create files. To create files, the command is touch. Touch means create. Okay, touch. I want to create index.html. Okay, and index.html has been created here. And again I want to create another file, that is touch about page .html, and about.html is right there. Okay, right here. Again I want to create another page, that is contact.html. Now we have 3 pages on our new website. Okay, and I want to create another folder, that is services. Okay, service.html. Now we have 4 pages on our website, new website, say for example. Okay, now I want to create another CSS file inside the CSS folder, so I have to go to CSS folder. To go to CSS folder, I have to say change directory to CSS, and now we are inside CSS folder. Okay, we are now inside CSS folder, and I'm going to create a CSS file. And to create CSS file, our command is touch. Touch means create. I told you several times. And I'm creating style.css, a new file inside CSS folder. If you check it, you see it's now there. Now I want to come out of this CSS folder. to come out or get out, what we have to do, we have to write cd space dot 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 dots means one step back. Okay, I'm stepping back from CSS folder, and now I am on SQE file folder. Okay, now I want to step in. Okay, step in JS folder. Okay, so I just write JS, and I'm now inside JS, and I want to create a JS file, new file, and I just write index.js should be with .js excuse me, .js like HTML.html, JS has .js. Okay, now just press enter, and we can check whether it is created or not by writing another command, that is ls. ls means show list, and index.js is there, okay, inside the JS folder. Alright, now we have created all necessary folders and files to start creating website, web application, or software. Now, how we can open it in a code editor to start coding? Okay, I just write code means Visual Studio Code. This is the one of the best editor to me. This is the best. Okay, owned by Microsoft. I just write code space then dot enter, and you see code editor is being opened automatically for us. We don't need to go to desktop, click here and there, bring it into our code editor. No, it's very straightforward. And I just take out the welcome note. Okay, and you see now everything is there. Okay, open editor. Oh, what's wrong? Let's see. I think we did make mistake. We come from JS folder. We should come from SQL files and folder. So to do it, we have to one step back. Okay, and now we are inside SQL files and folder, and now we can open it. Okay, let me close it. Okay, we can close it. Excuse me, we can close it directly, no problem. Okay, it is closed, and what we can do, we can directly say code space dot, press enter, and again it will open the whole files and folder structure right here. Okay, now we can start coding with our index.html. This is it will be the home page, and we can just press Ctrl and exclamation sign right here. Okay, Ctrl and exclamation sign. It's actually not Ctrl, Shift plus exclamation sign, then press enter, and HTML boilerplate is open. Now what we can do, we can write the title. Title is my first website, say for example, and just write h1 tag. Okay, press enter and say welcome to my website. Okay, and I can just put an image tag, and I can actually, if I have image, I can bring image. Just give the image folder. It's like images, right? And since I don't have image, I can take it from my computer, maybe bootcamp, this one. Okay, and take it into this. Okay, and now what I can do, go to index.html and write again, put a value of source. src means source, okay, a source attribute, and the value should be within the inverted comma. I write images, and images is here, and bootcamp. Okay, now alt, I can say bootcamp, just to it can be anything actually, but it should be meaningful. Okay, we will come to know each and everything later on, step by step. Okay, and I can just now take p tag. P tags means paragraph tag, and I say lorem 25 means I want lorem ipsum. Okay, this is default text. Okay, dummy text, just to make our coding very quick. Okay, and right button click, go to open with live server, and we will see amazing. Okay, and the picture is too large, okay, to be displayed. So what we can do, we can go back to our code editor, and we can put width. Okay, and we can say 500, say for example, and height. Okay, height is like 300. Actually, when you put width, height automatically takes its size. Okay, open, and we see now this is a web page. A page has been created, and we want to make it red color, say for example. Now what we have to style it. So I have to write style, and we can style 3 ways. Today I'm not going to show you all of them. I just going to show you style, okay, with H1, I can say color colon red, okay, and semicolon. Now it will be red. If I just go and see, it has become red. Okay, and we can make it gold color maybe. Okay, the p tag. Okay, this is called inline CSS because we are writing the CSS code inside the line, within the line. Okay, and again I can say style. Okay, style, and I want it to be color, say for example gold. Okay, all right, just check it, it has become gold. Though it doesn't look good, we can change it anytime. And now I want the body, actually whatever we write inside the body, that will be displayed on the page. Whatever we write in between the head tag, this will be metadata, and it will not be displayed on our web page. And we want to style the body. Okay, style, and we want background color to be powder blue, say for example. Let's see how does look like powder blue. Okay, it's amazing, right? So that's all for today. Now, as a web developer, software developer, you will be coding this way, and after attending 3 or 4 classes, it will be understandable to each of you. Okay, it's not a rocket science. People even learn rocket science, so it will be really easy after attending 3 to 4 classes, and you will love it. Coding is a fun, okay, creating something is really fun. We will make it really easy, okay. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our channel, make comments, and inside the channel we do have about section, and you can find the contact address. You can shoot an email, and even you can click here, go to our blog, okay, and you can sign up if you want to find dream job. This company is a recruiting company, and they can help you to find your dream job if you have that skill. If you don't have, just you can join us and start learning today. It'll take 3 to 6 months depending what course are you enrolling. It can be web design and development, it can be front-end web development, it can be full stack web development, it can be web automation, or any other courses, okay. And obviously we are associated with Amazon Associate. You can click on here and find what are the products available, everything. If you want, just go to video and click on the video. It might seem to you the video is slow. I am slow. We are talking or speaking slowly. Then just go here and make it 1.5 or 1.25. okay, so it will be really fast if you want to make it double. Alright, thus you can listen to all our video tutorials at your own speed. Okay, now down the video you can find lot of stops, lot of links. These are associate links actually. Okay, we are associated with Amazon Associate Program. Once you click here and buy all these things, we get some benefit. Okay, so we have recommended the books we are using. Okay, we used to learn coding. Okay, we recommended the courses we attended, and we recommended the laptops we are using to record this video tutorials, okay, the camera and so on, and the books. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next video tutorial in Web Quality Expert. Now Web Quality Expert is a small company. We teach online, completely online, web programming, coding, web development, web design, full stack web development, and software development. If you are interested, anyone can join with us. Okay, if you go to indeed.com and just write full stack developer. Okay, you don't need to write even web developer, and you can check how much these people are making just after learning this skill set after 3 to 6 months. Okay. All right, $50 means 100,000, $60 per hour means 130-40,000. And even junior developers, okay, senior full stack developer, if you have 2 to 3 hours 2 to 3 years experience, or even 1 year experience, you can get it. And huge, right? So Why you should learn web design, development, software development, all these IT skills? Because they are well paid, okay, and it's fun. Okay, thank you.